Welcome to Science 5. Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Verlet, your teacher in science. Before we start our lesson, here are virtual class rules. First, I want you to find a silent place where you are comfortable so that you can focus our lesson. Second, watch and listen carefully. Third, after our virtual lesson, you can ask questions to our group chat class. Our lesson for today is about conditions necessary to make a bulb light up. The objective of these lessons, you are expected to infer conditions necessary to make the bulb light up, demonstrate understanding of a simple DC circuit and the relationship between electricity and magnetism in electromagnets, propose an unusual tool or device using electromagnet that is useful for home, school, or community. Let's have a review. We discussed about how light interacts with different materials before. Light plays important role in our lives. We can see things around us in the presence of the light. The major source of light is the sun. This branch of science is called optics. Optics is the study of transmission, reflection, absorption, and refraction of light. Let's have an activity. Identify the following materials if it is a transparent, translucent, or opaque. Number 1. Lens of camera. Is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? Yes, it is transparent. Second, a piece of paper. Very good, it is translucent. Number 3, building blocks. That's right, it is opaque. 4, thin cloth. Very good, it is a translucent. 5, wooden door. Very good, it is an opaque. Now, second activity. Identify the following statement if it is transmission, reflection, absorption, or refraction of light. Number 1. It refers to the passing of light through some materials. Very good. It is a transmission of light. Second, all white light is being reflected. Very good. It is a reflection of light. Number 3. The bending or change in direction of light when it passes from one medium to another. Very good. It is a refraction of light. Number 4. A black surface or object absorbs all wavelengths of light and converts them into heat, so the object gets warm. Very good. It is absorption of light. Now, I have here a pictures. Which among these pictures don't use an electricity? Very good. The objects that don't use an electricity are lantern and kettle. And the rest, it used an electricity. How does electricity flow to your appliances? First, there must be a source of electricity. Second, there must be a complete path of electricity to flow through. A circuit is a complete loop through which an electrical current flows. The word circuit came from the Latin word circuitus, which means go around. A circuit always needs a power source, such as battery with wires connected to both the positive and negative ends. A circuit can also contain other electrical components such as bulbs, buzzer, or motors, which allow electricity to pass through. When current flows in a circuit, electrical energy can do useful work. Current means a flow of electrical charges or a flow of electrons. A simple electric circuit has four most important parts. First, a source or power supply of electric energy, such as battery or generator. Second, a conductor, or a connection between the source and the output device, such as a wire or cable. Third, an output device or load, such as a motor or lamp. And last, the switch. As you can see in the picture, the battery is the power supply, and the wires are the conductors, and the bulb is the load, and this one is the switch, which control the current flow. Here are parts of electric circuit. First, power source. Power source converts some type of non-electric energy into electric energy. The electric source creates an electromotive force or EMF that causes an electric current to flow in the circuit. The source of energy to move the electrons may be a dry cell, battery, generator, or a solar cell. Second, parts of electric circuit. Output device or load uses the electric energy from the source to do something useful. A load is an output device that uses electricity, such as light bulb, appliances, computers, and gadgets. Third, parts of electric circuit. Conductor or connection. It is the source of output, and device must be connected by an electrical conductor such as electrical wiring or copper wiring, so that electric current can flow from the source to the device and back again to the power source. The conductor is wrapped by the insulator, which is needed to avoid short circuit that hamper the proper flow of electricity. The last part of electric circuit is the switch. It is various devices may be added to the circuit to control the current flowing in it. Switch controls the flow of electricity, can connect or disconnect the path of electric current. Now, here are the kinds of circuit. First, closed circuit. It makes the bulb light up because the path of electricity is complete, allowing electricity to flow through it. Electricity flows from the positive terminal of the dry cell. As you can see on the pictures, a wire is attached to the negative end of the battery, while the other wire is attached to the bulb and the switch is on. So in closed circuit, the switch is on. Now, the second circuit is the open circuit. Open circuit, electricity does not flow in this kind of circuit because there is a gap or no complete path from one end of the other end. The other causes of gaps or breaks in an open circuit included drain, rusty, or mispositioned batteries wherein similar ends are connected, busted bulb, and misplaced bulb. As you can see on the picture, a wire is attached to the negative end of the battery, while the other wire is attached to the bulb and the switch is off. So in open circuit, the switch is off. So that's why the lamp won't light. So now, what is a short circuit? Short circuit refers to a specific condition in which electricity strays outside the established pathway of an electrical circuit. It can cause serious damage like fire and even small-scale explosion. As you can see on the picture, that is the causes of short circuit. Now, circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is another safety device that may be used instead of a fuse. It is an automatic switch which breaks a circuit when there is too much current in the wires. After correcting the cause of short circuits, the circuit breakers can be switched on to complete the circuit. This is the example of circuit breaker. Now, let's have an activity. I want you to unscramble the letters to find the answer. First, status of a circuit that is complete and unbroken with flowing electric current. What is your answer? Very good. It is a closed circuit. Second, a flow of electrical charges or a flow of electrons. Very good. It is current. A status of a circuit that has breaks and or opening in which electric current can flow. What would be the answer? Very good. It is an open circuit. Number 4. It is a complete loop through which an electrical current flow. Very good. It is circuit. Number 5. Opens and closes the circuit. Very good. It is a switch. Number 6. It is a cause of fire because of mishandling of appliances. What do you think is the answer? Very good. It is a short circuit. Remember, class, that a simple electric circuit has 4 most important parts, which are the source or power supply of electric energy such as battery or generator. Then second, a conductor or a connection between the source and the output device such as wire or cable. And number 3, an output device or load such as a motor or lamp. Then lastly is the switch, which is control the power of electricity to switch on or switch off. Then a closed circuit, it is a wire is attached to a negative end of a battery while the other wire is attached to a bulb and the switch is on. In an open circuit, a wire is attached to a negative end of the battery while the other wire is attached to the bulb and the switch is off. Hopefully you learned our lesson today. But before I end this video, I want you to give an inspirational quote. Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today, by Malcolm X. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching and listening. See you next week.